All right, today we were primering my engine bay. Got it all blown off. Hey, shut up. And Brandon's about to clean it, and then we're gonna throw some primer down. It's a beautiful winter day out. It's about like 50 something. And we're about to rip. All right, it's bright as shit right here, but we're going to O'Reilly's to try and get some hardener because fucking TPC Global forgot to send me some, those fucking assholes. And then once we do that, we're gonna go to Home Depot, get plastic tape, and then we're going to spray our bays today. And it's gonna be pretty sick. I think Brandon's gonna come over at some point. So right now we're just going to O'Reilly's, so I'll let you guys know if they have it. Guys, what's going on? It's a new day. Got Brandon. He's gonna be sanding my whole engine bay today. So there's gonna be a lot of prep. Brandon's already getting it degreased, and I'm just removing wiring and stuff like that. And it's gonna be the cleanest engine bay in the game. Well. All right, so Brandon's pretty far on the engine bay. It's looking damn good. Damn good. It's like probably cleaner than Jack's. Jack's got pretty far on his.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
And I got all this stuff I need to clean and spray wrinkle black. That's gonna look insanely good. So that's pretty much it for now. I'll do more updates when Brandon gets this shit done.
Hey, take your time. No.
Alright, fuck you.
Oh.
Okay, it's day 2 of prepping the engine bay. I'm pretty tired. I just got to Jack's. I didn't show too much yesterday, but I got the whole bay stripped. Brandon started cleaning it, and that's pretty much it. I took a bunch of parts off, getting ready to paint some today. Brandon's gonna come over and get it all sanded, and then I think we're gonna try and throw some primer on today. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I'll bring you guys along and show you what we're doing. Like I said, the engine bay is pretty stripped. So here's like the final, it's all degreased. It's not completely sanded. Brandon sanded this half of it, and he's gonna finish this other half today. I'm working on the brake booster. I'm gonna paint it wrinkle black. And then these, I don't know what you call these, they go on the front where the radiator is. These are gonna be wrinkle black also. And then I'll probably touch these up a little bit. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for now. And I'll update you guys a little more as we get a little farther. All right, Brandon finally arrived. And he's sanding the engine bay. Looks really good. Shit. Got rid of all that, or majority of that rust down there. And I'm just working on the clutch master and the brake master. I'm gonna paint them. And that's pretty much it for now. Brandon, turn off your shit music. So I can update everyone.
It's a little baby.
Alright.
I gotta blow it. What?
Are you gonna blow your nose? You can wait till I fucking start.
I was gonna do it when you...
Alright, go ahead. Alright, so we're ripping right now. Brandon's blowing his nose. The engine bay is pretty much almost ready. And I think we're gonna primer it either this weekend or tomorrow. And Jack's taking apart my old angle kit and putting it on his car.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
These are mine.
And that's pretty much it for now. All right, last day of prepping the bay before we primer it. We're just gonna use rattle can primer. Brandon still has just this front area left, and he got a lot of this rust cleaned up. I'm not sure if I said that, and if it'll focus, but that's pretty much it for that. And I'll show you guys the final product before we do primer. Brandon's putting the finishing touches on the engine bay, and then we're gonna primer it.
Like, how dope is that gonna be? Super dope.
Showing what I'm doing.
Yeah, what are we doing?
Alright, I'm taking out all the heater and AC shit. That way this car can make its 2,100 pound goal.
Yikes. What the fuck?
So it's happening. It's happening. Help me. What? I say quit stroking your John and come help me. Alright, today we were primering my engine bay. Got it all blown off. Hey, shut up. And Brandon's about to clean it, and then we're gonna throw some primer down. It's a beautiful winter day out. It's about like 50 something. And we're about to rip. So it's not a hurry. So we're about to primer my bay. Brandon's about to do all of it. It's taped off pretty good. He's asking for a mask. Actually, I'm not gonna put that in the video because then we're gonna seem like dicks for not giving you a mask.
Yeah, for real, you fucking asshole.
Alright, you can get a mask. Just use your old one. But we're gonna primer this thing, sand it, and then it's getting sprayed tomorrow.
They want me to get lung cancer.
No, we don't. We don't want Brandon to get lung cancer.
They want me to die.
This is the, whoa. Whoa. This is color. No, you can't really see it. Hold on.
Alright, I'm spraying.
Alright, lay that first coat down. Let's see it. No overspray, alright? Dog, chill, chill.
Hey, those
Look at that.
Set her down.
The engine bay is all primered. It looks really good. We just spent the last hour and a half cleaning up all the plastic we put down on the floor. So, yeah, it looks pretty damn good. Show it off a little bit. Jack's about to paint one of my fenders because I got single stage paint, haven't sprayed it before.
What's up, boys?
And we're gonna try it out. Look at that. So that's pretty much it for now. I'll show Jack spraying, and then yeah. All right, dude. Let it rip, and then I'm running.
Oh, dude, I got pressure?
Yeah, you got pressure.
Shit. Alright, here we go.
Better be good, dude. It's gonna
I sure hope.
test for the engine bay right here.
I sure hope.
Nice. Damn, this looks good as hell on camera.
Really?
Yeah. This is the test fender. Turned out hella good.
Hella good.
Except these little sags, but that's alright. And
on the clear.
yeah, so we'll see what it looks like when it dries. It's bright as shit right here, but we're going to O'Reilly's to try and get some hardener because fucking TPC Global forgot to send me some. Those fucking assholes. And then once we do that, we're gonna go to Home Depot, get plastic tape, and then we're going to spray our bays today. And it's gonna be pretty sick. I think Brandon's gonna come over at some point. So right now we're just going to O'Reilly's, so I'll let you guys know if they have it. We just went to O'Reilly's and they hooked us up with the shit.
The shit.
We think it's the right stuff. We hope. We were told it was the right stuff and it worked, so
Yeah.
now we're going to Walmart to get plastic. We're back at Jack's, sanding the primered engine bay down. And then once this is all sanded, we're gonna set up the tent and clean it and spray. Right, Brendan?
Yeah.
It's pretty nice out. It's gonna be 60.
Got shorts on.
Shorts, no tee though.
Short weather.
My engine bay and Jack's engine bay are all prepped up. Oh, we still gotta clean them,
Yeah.
so they're not prepped up.
Yeah.
And we got the sick tent going. So we're gonna paint his first and then mine second. All right, Brandon's mixing up my paint right now. Come on, Brandon, let me show it off. All right, we're not. And Jack's getting the gun already. Jack's bay's all done. Jesus, dude. Won't fucking, no, it won't focus.
Would y'all look at that? You guys zoom out of the way.
It is all the way.
Oh. Yeah, is it just too shiny?
All right, there we go.
Damn, dude.
Looks really, really good.
Not bad. A little dry.
Pretty glossy. We'll see how it turns out when it fully dries, but it should be pretty solid. And got this tent going, and then we're gonna spray my bay. So I'll show that off a little bit once we get going. Alright guys, what's going on? The bay is now painted. So sorry for skipping around, but Brandon, go show him. It looks absolutely insane. Look at that. It turned out pretty damn good, not gonna lie. So show it off later once all this plastic's off. Jack's got the master hand.
What's up, guys?
Damn.
Dude,
All right, so that's gonna be the.
I'm not gonna lie, dude. That looks pretty good.
You're not gonna lie, dude. It looks insane. All right, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Anything to say, Brandon? Brandon sanded this bay, by the way, and it looks incredible. He killed it. Absolutely killed it. That was the best $150 I've ever spent. Cheap labor, if anyone wants to hire, hit us up in the comments.